Essential English Skills for Beginners, a guide to starting your language journey. Welcome to English Voyagers, your ultimate destination for mastering English from scratch. Whether you're taking your first steps into the world of English or seeking to solidify your foundational knowledge, this video is your gateway to a successful language learning journey. Our mission is to equip you with the tools, strategies, and resources you need to thrive in your English studies. In this extensive tutorial, we'll leave no stone unturned as we explore every facet of beginner language learning. 1. Building a strong vocabulary. AA. A strong vocabulary is the cornerstone of effective communication in any language. It enables individuals to express themselves clearly and accurately, conveying their thoughts and ideas with precision. In the context of learning English, building a robust vocabulary is essential for learners to comprehend written and spoken texts, as well as to communicate fluently in various social and professional settings. A diverse vocabulary not only enriches one's linguistic repertoire, but also enhances overall language proficiency. Therefore, investing time and effort in expanding vocabulary is a fundamental aspect of language acquisition. B. There are various strategies and techniques that learners can employ to build and reinforce their vocabulary. One effective approach is through exposure to authentic language input, such as reading books, articles, and newspapers, and listening to podcasts, music, and conversations. By encountering words in context, learners can grasp their meanings and usage more effectively. Additionally, employing mnemonic devices such as acronyms, imagery, and associations can aid in retention and recall of new vocabulary items. Furthermore, utilizing spaced repetition systems, SRS, and flashcard applications can help reinforce learning by reviewing words at optimal intervals to solidify memory. C. In addition to passive exposure, active engagement with vocabulary is crucial for effective learning. Learners can actively practice using new words in writing and speaking exercises, incorporating them into sentences and conversations to reinforce understanding and usage. Participating in vocabulary games, quizzes, and challenges can also make learning engaging and enjoyable. Moreover, seeking out opportunities for authentic communication with native speakers or language exchange partners allows learners to apply newly acquired vocabulary in real-life situations, further consolidating their learning. By adopting a multifaceted approach that combines exposure, active practice, and interaction, learners can systematically expand their vocabulary and enhance their overall language proficiency. Whether you're studying English for school, work, or travel, mastering these foundational skills will set you on the path to fluency. Follow along with our tips and exercises, and remember, consistency is key. Start your English learning journey today and unlock a world of opportunities. Subscribe to English Voyagers for English learning content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all to receive notifications for every new video we upload. Join our community of language learners and never miss out on valuable learning resources.